In the process plant, the milk is unloaded from the road milk tankers and chilled at below 5 degrees Celsius and stored in insulated milk silos. For prolonged storage of milks in silos, the temperature is monitored carefully. From the silos, milk is pumped to pasteurization plant. In the pasteurization plant, milk is heated to the pasteurization temperature of 72 degrees Celsius and holding time of 15 seconds are allowed before it is cooled to below 5 degrees Celsius. Thus, all the pathogenic microorganisms present in the milk are destroyed. Along with the pasteurization, an online cream separator and homogenizer are used. Cream separator is used to standardize the milk in terms of fat percentage, and homogenizer is used to homogenize the milk. The pasteurized milk can be packed in pouch filling machine for distribution. Pasteurized milk can also be sent to bulk vending booths in road milk tanker for distribution. The excess cream, which comes out of the cream separator, is stored in storage vessel and either sent through a continuous butter making machine or through a butter churner for making butter. The butter is either packed in butter packing machine to get packed butter or is melted in a butter melting vat, and further moisture reduction is done in a ghee boiler to convert butter to ghee. The ghee is packed in pouch or tin pack. The standardized milk came a hoard meant for making powder milk if passed through an evaporator to concentrate up to 45 to 48%. The plant requires CIP once in every 20 to 24 hours for 2 hours duration. The concentrated milk can also be transported by road milk tankers for saving the cost of transportation. A winch-driven trolley goes down the chamber for thorough cleaning of the chamber. Fluid bed dryer and lecithination system is used to further improve the instantizing nature of milk powder. Spray dryer with dual atomizer, high pressure nozzle and disc atomizer can also be supplied on request. The milk powder so produced can be packed in various packs.